Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to watch Netflix Region Kenya 2026. To watch the Kenyan library of Netflix from outside the country in 2026, you must use a premium VPN or virtual private network like NordVPN or ExpressVPN that offers virtual or physical servers in Kenya. All you have to do is go ahead and open your Play Store or your App Store within your device. From there, head to search bar, then type in VPN. Now select top VPNs like ExpressVPN or NordVPN. Now, once you go ahead and install this application, go ahead and subscribe to their plans, which has Kenyan server in it. Now, once you do so and enable it on your device, all you have to do is go ahead and open Netflix application, then sign into your account, and now you should be able to enjoy Kenya's official Netflix library without any hassle. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.